In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from your Proton VPN app. So if you've been receiving a lot of notifications from this app, then it's good to go ahead and stop them once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, to be able to stop these pop-up notifications, you'll need to go ahead and access the app information page. To access this app information page, you can go ahead and just look for settings on your smartphone, and then from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. From apps, look for the option called manage apps. For this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From manage apps, if you tap on it, it will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. And from the list, go ahead and look for your app. And as you can see, my app is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using this search function up here. So if you go ahead and open your app, you can see we are on the app information page. Now, if you can't get to this app info page or you can't find it, let me show you a shortcut method you can use. For that, go back to your app. And then once you locate it, go ahead and long press on it and you'll see app info here. If you go ahead and tap on it, it will take you to Proton VPN app info page. From here, look for the section called permissions, and under permissions, look for notifications. Currently, you can see they are turned to yes. So if I tap on it, all these types of notifications are on. To turn all of them off, just go ahead and toggle show notifications off from here. If I toggle it, you can see they have been turned off. At this point, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications coming from this app. So that's how you stop pop-up notifications from Proton VPN app. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.